I have 2 fun facts. I can burp on command. My second fact is it wasn't until I was 21 years old that I didn't know that heterosexual meant straight. I just thought it meant extra gay.
I don't like that one.
Just so you know, also, this guy runs like an educational channel on YouTube.
I'm smart now. Yeah, that's basically
You're smart. Okay, I like that.
Do you like tend to like a lot of guys that are like super well educated?
I don't really care. Contestant number 3, tell me your name and a fun fact about yourself.
My name is Billy. I only have one fun fact, and I'm on Ariana Grande's story highlight on Instagram, slide 32, highlight 8.
That's such a flex.
Wait, so are you friends with Ariana or?
I think it's just story highlight.